In modern living spaces, maximizing available space is crucial. Whether in a small apartment, a cozy house, or an office with limited square footage, the challenge of using space efficiently is always present. One of the most practical ways to achieve this is by utilizing wall-hanging wooden pieces. These pieces not only serve functional purposes, but also add an aesthetic touch to the room, making them a preferred choice for many. The concept of saving floor space while ensuring that the space remains organized, clutter-free, and aesthetically appealing can be achieved through the clever use of wall-mounted wooden elements. Wooden wall hangings, whether they be shelves, racks, or decorative pieces, offer a significant advantage over traditional floor-based storage. One of the primary reasons these pieces are beneficial is their ability to free up floor space. In many homes and offices, floor space can quickly become congested with furniture, making the environment feel cramped and uncomfortable. When furniture is placed directly on the floor, it limits the amount of available space that can be used for other purposes, such as walking, placing additional furniture, or even for creating a more open and breathable atmosphere. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-hanging wooden craft pieces ideas to save floor space in your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. By moving storage and decoration to the walls, more of the floor area becomes available for circulation and other uses. In a small apartment, for example, maximizing floor space is essential for creating a sense of openness and airiness. Large, bulky pieces of furniture on the floor can make the space feel heavy and closed off, whereas wall-mounted wooden pieces create an illusion of more space by lifting the clutter off the ground. This simple act of shifting elements to the walls can transform the feel of a room, providing a sense of spaciousness and freedom. Beyond just freeing up space, wall-mounted wooden pieces can help in organizing a room. People often struggle with keeping their living spaces tidy and clutter-free, particularly in smaller environments. By using the walls as storage areas, homeowners can keep essential items within easy reach without them taking up precious floor space. The vertical nature of wall hangings naturally encourages organization. Items are stored higher up, often within view, and are easily accessible without the need for bending or digging through drawers or cabinets. Wall-mounted shelves can hold books, decorative items, plants, or even kitchen supplies, all while keeping the floor area clear. This not only improves organization, but also enhances the overall efficiency of space. In addition to functionality, wooden wall hangings are an excellent way to add style and character to a room. Wood, as a material, brings a natural warmth and texture to a space, which can be particularly beneficial in minimalist or modern interior designs. Unlike metal or plastic, wood creates a sense of homeliness and elegance that complements various decor styles. The rich tones and grains of wood can enhance the room's aesthetic while also serving a practical function. For instance, a wooden shelf on the wall may hold books, yet its design can become a key focal point, drawing attention to the craftsmanship of the piece and complementing the room's decor. Furthermore, wooden wall hangings offer a level of versatility that can be tailored to different spaces. In comparison to larger furniture pieces, which are often bulky and difficult to move, wall hangings can be repositioned or replaced more easily. If a homeowner or business owner decides to rearrange their space, adjusting the placement of wooden pieces on the walls is a far simpler task than moving around large furniture. This adaptability allows for greater flexibility in design, meaning that the space can evolve as needed over time. Whether it's a growing family needing more storage or an office environment that requires a change in layout, wall-mounted wooden elements can be rearranged to meet changing needs without the hassle of moving heavy furniture. Another key reason wall-hanging wooden pieces are preferable for saving floor space is their contribution to maintaining a cleaner environment. Furniture that sits directly on the floor is prone to accumulating dust, dirt, and debris, which may be difficult to clean in tight corners or under low-clearance pieces. Wall-mounted wooden pieces, on the other hand, raise items off the floor, making it easier to clean the area beneath them. This contributes to better air quality and hygiene within the room. In addition, lifting storage and decoration off the floor minimizes the impact of wear and tear on the floor itself. Heavy furniture can leave marks, dents, or scuff marks on flooring surfaces over time, especially in high-traffic areas. Wall hangings, however, have little to no impact on the condition of the floor, allowing it to maintain its appearance and integrity for longer. Moreover, the use of wall-mounted wooden pieces can offer enhanced security in certain situations. In spaces where there are small children or pets, items that are placed on the floor can become hazards, whether through being knocked over or being accessed by curious hands or paws. Wall-mounted items are often safer in these environments, as they keep potentially harmful objects out of reach. This is particularly important in households with young children, where safety is a top priority. By using wooden wall hangings, parents can create a space that is both functional and secure, allowing for peace of mind while still utilizing the walls for storage or decoration. Another benefit of using wall hangings to save floor space is that it encourages a more thoughtful and intentional use of the space. When items are stored on the floor, people often accumulate more than they need because there's room to spread things out. This can lead to clutter and a sense of overwhelm. By opting for wall-mounted wooden pieces, individuals are forced to consider what they truly need and value, leading to more minimalist and purposeful decor. Additionally, when items are stored vertically, there is often a greater emphasis on keeping only what is necessary or meaningful, as the limited space available on shelves or racks necessitates conscious decision-making. For those living in apartments or rental spaces, the ability to use wall-mounted wooden pieces is especially valuable because it allows for customization without altering the structural elements of the space. Landlords typically have strict policies against drilling holes or making permanent changes to the walls, but many allow the use of removable hooks, shelves, or other fixtures that can be easily taken down when the tenant moves out. Wooden wall hangings offer an attractive and adaptable solution, enabling renters to personalize their living space while respecting the terms of their lease agreement. The versatility of wall-mounted wooden pieces makes them an ideal solution for renters who want to make the most of their space without making permanent changes. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wall-hanging wooden craft pieces ideas to save floor space in your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.